What's up guys, welcome to another JD show. Today we're gonna compare three different Alfa Romeo Giulia. Yeah, we have three different Alfa Romeo here, three different Giulias, so it's always the same car. It's the GTA M. This one is from Tarmac Works, collaboration with Lamley Group. I had this one in my Lamley Group video. This is Global 6.4. Then we have the BBR Models Alpha. And what is kind of important, this one is officially licensed. Same here, officially licensed product. And then we have the Shadow version, and someone just said that this is like the new version from DCT. I'm not really sure if this is the diecast team, but yeah, feels like the same packaging and everything, so might be. And this is obviously not licensed. So yeah, we're gonna this is secured here. Yeah, there you go, diecast team. Yeah, okay, it is a diecast team. 164. So here we have the car. The side mirror is completely broken. So this is the first thing I'm seeing here. One side mirror is already broken. So that's kind of sad. If I think when I touch it, then it's gonna, it still stays, but yeah, okay. Have to be careful and then glue it later. Yeah, let's unbox the other two mods also, that we can put them next to each other. They are all a bit different in designs. You see, yeah, this one is obviously white. The other two are red, but this one is more like a chrome red finish, or like metallic red, and this one is more plain red. And it is also a different design, but both with the white front. So the fronts will all look the same. And yeah, let me get the focus right here in the front. So we're gonna start with a little size comparison. So the BBR one is bigger. You can see there. It is longer, the body. Yeah, it is a bit wider also. But this is nearly the same. Here we have the Shadow. You can see this one is smaller. Let's check the white one next to it. Yeah, they look nearly the same, I would say. So let's check the front here. Compare it directly to the Tarmac Works. There you can see the headlights are not that good on the Shadow version, DCT. Tarmac Works better and smaller, way smaller. Here, yeah, look at the difference in the front. The carbon fiber, the grille, the headlights, everything. So yeah, this one is cheaper, but yeah, you can easily tell why. And also here, that comparison, the headlights on the BBR and also the carbon fiber in the front, way more detail. Here on the BBR is also carbon fiber wing. Here it's just black. And the back, yeah, I think that picture speaks for itself. You can easily here see also the side mirrors. They have reflective stickers. That's also a nice feature now. I wish Mini GT would do that also. You can see that here, also on the DCT model. Reflective stickers. And the Tarmac also got a rear view mirror on the inside. It's also a nice feature. Let's check the BBR. No mirror. But BBR mods mostly have a detailed interior also. You can see it also has a race cage on the inside in red. Here we have a cage in white. Yeah, here also in red. Yeah, and then if we compare the tail lights, yeah, you can see the tail lights of the DCT model are not that bad compared to the Tarmac Works, but if you see the tail lights of the BBR model next to it, it's nice that they have silver exhaust here also. That's one thing missing here on the Tarmac Works. I mean, nothing wrong with black pipes, but you can see the bass also very different. I don't know how the bass on the BBR looks like, yeah, but the size is crazy. The size difference. Maybe the BBR is a bit too big. Let's check it out here. I'm gonna put them next to each other here that you can maybe have a look on all three together. Yeah, the BBR model is way bigger, but it also has carbon fiber side mirrors. More carbon fiber detailed than the other ones, way more detailed on the inside. So, and all the details in the front and on the lights, the headlights, the tail lights, it's more precise and looks like a real car. And even the roof is carbon fiber, while the other two roofs are just black. Yeah, overall I have to say that for me the BBR model wins, but it is more pricey, and I think the shadow one was the cheapest. So that's what we have to consider. Maybe I can check what I paid for each of them and then include it here right now. I mean, the paint job on the shadow one is quite nice red tone, and it's the only one who's got heating stripes in the back window. But they look a bit too big at size comparison. But yeah, overall, all three models are okay, I would say. And yeah, if you do enjoy the shadow mods, it's also nice. So you can decide which one you like the most. You know, you can decide. You can let me know in the comments. I hope you enjoyed this little video. And as always, guys, thank you for watching and just have a great day.